What's up guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to reinstall the AutoEdit plugin, whether you're using AutoEdit music video mode or AutoEdit event recap mode. The reinstallation process is exactly the same for Mac. So first things first, you go to Finder and you're going to go to your Documents tab. Now you go to your Documents folder and you'll see two folders actually, so if you're using one of the plugins, but if you have both plugins, you'll see three folders. You'll see one folder called Mac. You're going to want to go ahead and you want to just move this to trash. Move this to trash. You're going to enter your password and then it will delete it. So you can see I now moved it to trash. And then what you're also going to delete is the folder called AutoEdit, obviously. So you're going to delete the AutoEdit folder or AutoEdit recap folder if you're editing on AutoEdit music video mode or event recap mode. Now what you're going to do is you're going to go back to your email. So you should have gotten the email where you can download those file links, or if you don't have those files anymore, the DMG file, just make sure to email us at team@11%.net. We'll make sure to get those files to you, but just make sure you check your emails and you can re-download any of the files anytime you need, or you can visit your account at 11%.net and download those files there. So once you re-download that file, you're going to go ahead and open the DMG. So you can see right here, I have the DMG and we are going to go ahead and just right click it and we're going to hit open and open with Dismounter. Now it's going to go ahead and open our installer. We're going to double click this package file right here and voila, just like that, it is now going to start installing our plugin. So we're going to move this to the side and you're just going to hit continue and go throughout the AutoEdit installation process. So I'm going to go ahead and type my password. And voila, just like that, it will now start to write your files. This part might take a couple of minutes. We're going to go ahead and speed this part up. Okay, so now that it's installed, we're just going to go ahead and click close, and then you can go ahead and keep it. It honestly doesn't really matter. Now, I always love recommending restarting Premiere Pro with resetting the cache. So the way you do this is you hold Option or Alt if you're on PC, and you hold and click Premiere Pro. Now make sure you hold Option, and then you're just going to go ahead and click Clear Media Cache and Reset Plugin Loading Cache. You're going to hit Continue, and boom, just like this, it is going to reset Premiere Pro. Just give it a brand new start. Go ahead and open a brand new project by clicking New Project and call this whatever you want. All right, guys, now that we're inside of Premiere Pro, you should be able to open the plugin. So you go to Window, you hit Extensions, and you click Auto Edit Music Video Mode. And boom, just like that, the plugin will pop up in one of the panels, and then you can now begin and start editing with AutoEdit music video mode.